In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly meeting polls. This is a fantastic tool to streamline the process of scheduling meetings with multiple participants. So let's dive in and make scheduling a breeze. First, head over to calendly.com. This is where we're going to get started with our meeting polls. Once there, you'll want to log in, so go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the web page. After you click login, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type in your email and click continue. Next, it's time to input your password. Once that's done, click continue again to proceed to your Calendly homepage. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage. The first thing you want to do here is to click on the create button. This lets Calendly know you're ready to set up something new. After clicking create, look for the option that says more ways to meet. This option expands your possibilities for meeting setups. From here, click on meeting poll. This is the magic button that will help us create a collaborative scheduling poll for your participants. Next, you'll see a calendar view with blank slots. Click on these to select the times that you'd like to propose for the meeting. The idea is to provide multiple options so participants can choose what works best for them. Once you've selected the desired slots, click on next to move forward in the process. Now, give your meeting a name. This title should clearly indicate the purpose of the meeting, so participants immediately know what it's about when they receive the poll. Following that, choose a location for your meeting. You have several options like Zoom, Google Meet or Microsoft Teams, a real plus if you're accommodating various participants' preferences or existing tools. At this stage, you may want to explore the optional settings. These let you customize your meeting further by setting meeting buffer times, maximum invitees per time slot, and more. However, if you're in a hurry or want to keep things simple, these can be skipped. Once you're finished inputting all necessary details and any optional tweaks, it's time to share your meeting poll. Simply click on the Share Meeting Poll button. A link will be generated that you can copy. Now, all that's left is to share this link with your participants via email, messaging, or any other platform you prefer. And there you have it, you've successfully created and shared a Calendly meeting poll. Your participants can now select the times that are most convenient for them. Once everyone has voted, you can finalize the meeting time. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes your scheduling process smoother than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.